What's going on, y'all? Kevin with Lowcountry Paver. We're out here in Charleston today, checking out a few of the job sites around town that are just completed, as well as a couple that have been completed for a little bit. Right now we're at the Cooper, bright and early. This is a brand new hotel, opened in March of 2026. Right here we have about 12,000 square feet of our King Street Cobble and Storm Cloud. This project was actually put together by Design Works, and it was beautifully installed by our friends at Pleasant Places here in Charleston. Vehicular rated, laid in a grid pattern. This goes throughout this entire valet circle here. It's also featured on a couple other spots throughout the property. There's a lot of cool stuff to see at this property. You can walk down to the water and check it out. So as we're walking to the other side of the property to check out the rest of the pavers that are down, wanted to highlight kind of this walkway here. We're walking right along the river here. You can see Fort Sumter. We've got a bunch of restaurants that are going to be open to the public here. A really cool new addition to Charleston. Great place to stay. We've got a rooftop pool, beautiful views of the water, great amenities, and a great vibe inside and out. Very proud to be highlighted on this project with our King Street Cobble. So let's check out this other piece of paver area that we have on over here, and then we're gonna head to another property right up the road, Charleston Place Hotel, also another BMOC Hospitality Group project. We'll talk more about it when we get there, but very proud to be on that project as well. Also King Street Cobble. See you over there. We are at Charleston Place, another one of BMOC Hospitality Group's hotels here in Charleston. We're in the valet area where we just put down over 13,000 square feet of pavers. Charleston Place has been around for a long time, known very well as one of the luxury hotels to stay at in Charleston. So we're very proud to have these pavers down. So here we have the King Street Cobble once again. This space was designed by Seaman Whiteside and again, beautifully installed by Pleasant Places. They really wanted to go for the granite look, but in a more durable concrete paver. This paver is permeable, so water can drain through it. We'll have no issues with standing water here in this valet area. This product in particular is, again, Storm Cloud. This one's tumbled, just like American Gardens, which you've seen in the past. It looks fantastic out here, perfectly matches the vibe of Charleston and the aesthetic that comes with being in such a historic city. Again, we named it King Street Cobble. We're here between King and Meeting, very fitting for this property in particular. Now we're here at American Gardens. You guys have seen it through the process at various stages. We haven't been since it's been fully complete and people are out here and open. It's really nice to see all the people enjoying the space. Again, on this project, we have Pleasant Places laying the groundwork and bringing the vision to life. Seaman Whiteside actually designing the space, just like the last one we checked out. Again, we have our King Street Cobble down here. It's great to see it represented across all these different properties in Charleston. I think I'll take a seat and enjoy it myself. Really cool to see American Gardens in full swing in its final form and people enjoying the space. And it's really awesome to see our King Street Cobble featured on all these BMOC Hospitality Group projects here in downtown Charleston. This park is awesome. You guys should go check it out if you're in the Charleston area. And if you want to stay in Charleston, check out those two hotels. Until next time, we'll see you.